What's up everybody, it's Beast Mode back again with another unboxing video. So, package from GameStop.com. What I got is this receipt. No one cares about that. WWE 2K22, which people say this 2K22 is better than 2K21. People say. Yep. WWE 2K22 with Rey Mysterio. It hits differently. That's what it says in the back. It hits differently. This game may hit too will. Rise up the ranks through WWE 619 your way to superstar. So there's just, and it is for Xbox One, you could tell. And you could tell it's actually WWE official because it has the hologram sticker. So what's inside you get is just the plain old disc that says WWE 2K22. The manual, which let's just take it out real quick, which there's nothing special about it. Just Rey Mysterio. And there's a code if you're interested getting the card game super cards. The code's right here, which nothing special about it. And it is, I think, produced by Microsoft right there. T for team. Yep. And you can do single player, multiplayer, online single player, online multiplayer, 4K Ultra HD. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want me to do more unboxings, which I'm going to try to because I haven't been posting as much. So comment down below if you want me to do more videos or you want me to stay active on my channel. Because I've been busy with me, my girlfriend, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.